Hello guys. I'm training in the taekwondo because it's Saturday. If you don't know how to do taekwondo, I'll teach you. First, the kick is like this, and the punch is like this. Got it? Let me show you the other hand. First, the hand is like this, and the right hand is like this. And then, do you know taekwondo, guys? Taekwondo is a sport that I joined, and the kick is like this. I'll show you. And the punch is like this. Got it, guys? Huh?
You see that video, we'll send it to Mama in Tagalog.
Okay.
Daddy, we'll send it to Daddy. Stop.
You want to play a game? Ready? Fight!
Pawisan na ka.
I think I win. So, no, it will be 3 minutes. 3 minutes. Okay.
Sabi si Bruno.
Time out ka, no? Time out ka? Time out ka, ha?
Ano, 3 minutes pa natin.
Okay, bye guys. Bye guys. See you tomorrow.